To get Spam Report and activate it in your Microsoft Outlook, just head over to the spamreport.com.au website. Head over to the add-in page. At the bottom, you'll see there's 4 steps. So we'll just start with step 1, which is downloading the plugin. Once that's downloaded, you just run the executable file. And once that's installed, open up Outlook. And then you should notice there's a handover on your add-ins area. So you just click on that. When it's your first time opening it, you'll see an Activate Now. Just click on the Activate Now. And then the lists will be populated with the current lists. In your inbox, you'll notice there's a Spam Report folder. So if you receive any spam, fraud, or junk emails that you think might need to be added to the database, just simply drag and drop it into the Spam Report. That'll then be sent to the network, and everyone will be able to benefit from that bit of help. Enjoy.